in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use the rotate transition effect on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your presentation, and you want to select the Transitions tab up at the top. And again, make sure you selected the second of the two slides you want to input the transition between. And then click the drop-down arrow where it says Transition to the slide. And you want to select where it says rotate, and you should see a demonstration here. You can select effect options if you want to change the direction of the rotation, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.